Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. #free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Holy, holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Great Nigerian people!
Yes, let's give them freedom.
Let freedom reign! Great Nigerian people! Great Nigerian people! Please, we are here to inform you that an injustice to one is an injustice to all. If you watch what is happening in Nigeria, if you want to be free, commit crime. And if you don't want to be free, don't commit crime. The people that we have in various stations today are those that are innocent. The people that are moving freely today are those that committed crime. And it goes across board. If you go to the north, go to the west, go to the south, go to the southeast and what have you, the people that they are interested in getting arrested are those that are fighting for their rights.
Yes, sir.
The real bandits, the real terrorists are having their field day with the federal government. They have discussion with them, they have dialogue with them, they do party with them. They even ask them, how much do you want us to be paying you every month? Now those who are fighting for their rights, those who are exercising their rights given to them by the Constitution and by every other legislation, they are being detained. Now, on Monday is the day. Whether you be Hausa, whether you be Yoruba, whether you be Igbo, we want you to come out. Why we are using Nnamdi Kanu as a figurehead is because Nnamdi Kanu is the one that is prominent. As a lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu, I can tell you that if you go to DSSS, you will see a lot of them there. Some time ago, that was about 3 years ago, 4 years ago, when Nnamdi Kanu brought about 6 persons from the north that were being detained at DSSS headquarters here. And Nnamdi Kanu instructed that we should file the enforcement of fundamental rights, and we filed it and they were all released. So we are talking about injustice. Not only for Nnamdi Kanu, for every other person. Enough is enough. Now, having said that, to our own Igbo brothers, it seems that this injustice is the people that are feeling it the more are the people of the southeast. If you want what is happening in the southeast today, if you want to weaken their brother, just write a petition that the person is a member of IPOB or a member of ESN. Be rest assured the person will be kidnapped in the midnight, and his answer will be collected from him, and they will discontinue any communication with the members of his family. Go to Wawa Barrack in Niger State after Kaiji. You see how people have been treated like animals here. We are saying enough is enough. Our own senior comrade, our own people's leader, the persons that decided to come down to this country to fight against injustice, because almost those who are claiming to be activists, they are now eating. And they say, anybody when they eat, you know, they talk. They are observing table manners. They don't talk again. I don't want to mention names. The only one where we hope for hand now, Sowore. And we are praying that God will continue to sustain it for us. They have tried to bribe him. He refused. They continue to arrest him. As they continue to arrest him, he continues to get younger, and they continue to go older. So now he has decided to take the bull by the horn. Yes. God has blessed him. He's not looking anything from government. What he needs is a good society. So of course, he can travel to any country he likes, but he's there for me and you. On Monday is the day. Shut down your market on Monday. You're not going to die. 7 a.m. go to Fountain Square. Let us encourage him. He has agreed to lead the protest. It's a peaceful protest. We have written to the police. We have written to DSS. We have notified them. They said we should bring a letter. We have notified them. Their own is to give us security. It is your right to protest. If the SSS come here to intimidate you, tell him he's talking Arab nonsense. And you get what I'm saying? You should go back to school, because you have a right to agitate. As I am now, I have a right to agitate the Federal Republic of Maxwell. If I merit the destiny, they will give me my own country. It's there in the law. So somebody cannot say that he wants to Biafra and you go and they clap him down. You don't have that right. He's exercising his right. The right to protest is also your right. Please, I would like him to talk to you, because for the past 7 hours we have been on the road. So, and we are exhausted. So let him talk to you.
Sowore temper. Cha ibukwenu. Cha ibukwenu. We have been on this now for the last 2 weeks, and that was the time that the God said all of us must become wise. And at the time for justice is now. When it started, for those of you who have been following, I started by contacting Southeastern leaders. I called them one by one. Some of them I have their phone numbers. Say it's time for us to bring Nnamdi Kanu. It is the time to bring Nnamdi Kanu home from unjust detention. Some of them say they will call me back. Till today they have not called me back. But when the time for anything is ripe, you don't need a big man. The big man is about to be reduced to nobody now. Because the real big man and the biggest fish is the person we are trying to bring home, which is Nnamdi Kanu. And some of you must have been told, you know, there's a lot of stories that are funding bloggers that I'm doing this for politics. I am not looking for votes. I have said it to people, if I'm looking for votes, I will go and look for money and give to INEC. They will give me election votes. I go win them. The person will be president now, you know, come campaign to you. You know, be president. Some will say, it's Yoruba, is trying to lead this thing. I am not Onye Yoruba, I'm Onye Justice. And as an Onye Justice, the people I hate most in my life are the people Igbos call Onye Zuzu. Yes, all these charlatans, where they give opinion now, say Nnamdi Kanu must go through the court system. Let him be tried first, and we cannot talk about the case that is in court. Ask the Onye Zuzus. When they were charged for corruption, did they wait for the court to resolve their problem? I don't want to mention their name. You know them. We know them. Ask the Oyezuzus, what is Nnamdi Kanu's offense? They cannot tell you. I am not a lawyer, but I move around with lawyers a lot. And because I'm a repeat offender, you know, I offend them every week. So they charge me every week. Something we know as a principle of law is that the person that has been tried not found guilty, discharged and acquitted cannot be tried again. That principle is known as double jeopardy. The Court of Appeal in this country made a declaration that because kidnappers were the ones who brought Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria from Kenya, you cannot try him for the offense they claim to have committed. They now went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court made another declaration that Nnamdi Kanu did not jump bail. That it was the Nigerian army that went to try to kill him, and he has a right to run away because of the criminals who tried to kill him. You now took him back to another court to now start another trial, what they call de novo. That is when they don't have any evidence against you, they'll be moving you from one judge to the other. They call it de novo. You know, last week they charged me 3 times, so I know all these things. And I can tell you when I see a useless case, the most useless case in Nigeria today is Nnamdi Kanu's trial. That is why the DSS will use 500 million naira for logistics to bring Nnamdi Kanu from DSS, 10 minutes from the court, 500 million, only to come and seek for adjournment.
Criminals.
Yes.
That's why they are not ready.
Then
they cannot release.
the judge now said, well, we need medical examination. We need a medical review. Do you need medical review to show that somebody who has been detained unlawfully for 4 years will be sick? No. You don't need a doctor to tell you that one now. For somebody who didn't commit a crime, you don't need anybody to tell you that the person will be sick. I'm surprised that Nnamdi Kanu has survived for the last 10 years. I know what these people do to you. In the DSS, they put you in solitary confinement. Psychologically, it has been proven that the longest anybody should be in solitary confinement is 48 hours. After that, they begin to mess with your brain.
Yes.
I spent 5 months in solitary confinement at the DSS. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
You see my nose, now police break out. They beat my head. But now they beat, now them they sick.
Yeah.
Because nobody can do bad things when they do. When the person go do well too. One done, they don't fly one, go London now. So every day everybody, not be say people not be sick. But some sickness different from sickness. Some sickness now which you take your hand carry, now you bring the sickness. Some sickness now to chop too much. Some sickness come from drinking too much alcohol, like the one in Abuja. We go mention my name the other day, he never recover. Some sickness then comes from stealing other people's lands. Some sickness comes from demolishing people's shop where they take chop. You can never be well if you do evil against your fellow human beings for so long as they are doing it. You don't need to go to church to know that. You don't need to go to mosque to know that. That one is a principle of natural justice. So we are here to invite you on Monday. And my question that I've been asking, because this is our 8th market since yesterday, I have been asking everybody that we met that, are you saying there are no up to 1 million people in this Abuja? Are you saying there are no up to 1 million people in this Abuja that can step out for a just cause? And if we are 1 million, you know all the security agencies in Nigeria that are not up to 1 million? Yes. The Nigeria police is 350,000. That is the number that they are paying salary. The real ones who still there alive now around 210,000. But you know, say police they get the highest number of ghost workers for this country. The Nigerian Army is about 150,000. DSS is 10,000. Nigerian Navy is 15,000. If you add MC Oluomo and all their people, maybe it's 500,000. We are 1 million. If 1 million people they go, nobody feel wait. And that is why I came here to address you today. It has nothing to do with tribe. It has nothing to do with ethnicity. It has nothing to do with religion. I have said it and I will keep saying it. The only religion that I know is justice. The only ethnicity I belong to is the ethnicity of justice. The only thing that I tell people sometimes, where I don't know why there's something in my body where make me to say I be Igbo person, because anytime I hear Ogene music I lose my mind. Yes. So But on a serious note, please let's meet on Monday and march on Aso Rock. We are converging at 7 a.m. in the morning. Unity Fountain. But if they play any game there, we'll go past through another place.
Yes,
So be prepared for that day. Carry water, carry some granite, put for pockets. Carry your friend with you. If you no get friends, carry your enemy. Drag them, say for the first time, let's go and do justice to this country. Bring everybody with you and let's make this happen. It's going to be a peaceful protest. And we have informed them that it's going to be peaceful. And we have heard that they are planning counter protests as well. But I tell you, it's psychological engineering. Because if the real people are moving, all those ones, all the Oyezu we won't do that. This when they say, Nnamdi will even come join us. And that day, Nnamdi will come sweep the floor after we finish the matter. But the most important thing is that we are bringing Nnamdi Kanu home on Monday. But one last thing I want to say is that they can make it happen before Monday.
Yes, sir.
So that this weekend we could just do party. That's it. But if they don't, if common sense no day, by Monday, we will reset them for them on the streets of Abuja. And if you have anybody who is coming, because a lot of people want to come, please give them accommodation. Support them with food. Be careful for people who say they want to come, they say make you send money. Because there are some of them who are on Twitter. They want to go to Abuja for send me money. Don't send money to anybody, except if they're your family member. But be kind to anybody that you can. Please let this message spread.
Don't already go viral.
You know what I was saying, that there's natural justice. Do you know what happened when we came here? Do you remember? The heavens opened and they wet the floor. That is the reign of freedom. Have a nice day. No.
Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. He urged them to march to Aso Rock,